Trump's new travel ban targets Nigeria and 5 other countries. Washington U.S. President Donald Trump gave an extended variant of his travel ban on Friday that objectives imminent migrants from Nigeria and 5 different nations, a move that could influence a huge number of individuals and reignite banter on whether the strategy is unfair. Of the 6 nations added to the boycott, 4 are African countries and 3 have Muslim-majority populaces. Democrats and movement advocates blame the Trump Organization for trying to extend its unique 2017 boycott that focused Muslim-majority nations excessively concentrating on African nations. Acting Homeland Security Secretary Chad Wolf said during a call with columnists that the 6 nations neglected to meet U.S. security and data sharing benchmarks, which required the new limitations. The problems Wolf cited ranged from subpar passport technology to a failure to sufficiently exchange information on terrorism suspects and criminals. Belarus, which had been getting looked at for incorporation, found a way to cure insufficiencies as of late and won't confront visa limitations, Wolf said. The United States will suspend the issuance of visas that can prompt lasting residency for nationals of Eritrea, Kyrgyzstan, Myanmar and Nigeria, a presidential declaration said. Impermanent visas for sightseers, agents, understudies and laborers from those countries won't be influenced, it said. The U.S. government additionally will quit giving assorted variety visas to nationals of Sudan and Tanzania, the announcement said. The visas, which Trump has censured, are accessible by lottery for candidates from nations with low paces of migration. These nations, generally, need to be useful. Wolf stated, yet for a wide range of reasons basically neglected to meet those base prerequisites that we spread out. The first travel boycott banned about all workers and explorers from 7 nations with greater part Muslim populaces. The approach was changed in the midst of court difficulties, yet the U.S. preeminent court at last maintained it in June 2018. Trump has made taking action against movement a focal point of his 2020 reappointment battle. His movement boycott arrangement is well known with Republican supporters. The current form of the boycott incorporates Iran, Libya, Somalia, Syria and Yemen. North Korea and Venezuela likewise face visa bars, yet those measures influence generally not many voyagers. Those limitations will stay set up. The new travel boycott will produce results on February 21, as per the decree.